how to fix Aion 2 error unable to connect to login server. So if you want to fix Aion 2 error, which says unable to connect to login server, then just watch this video. Now, if you're using or if you have to use a ping reducer like ExitLag or any other software, there are specific settings you need to check first, because often in these types of software, they try to optimize the game connection but mess up the login server connection as well. So here's what you need to do. Open up your ExitLag on your dashboard, and on your connection tab, just simply click on the Aion 2. Now, what you do is you need to look for the toggle option called redirect login. You can make sure that the particular option is enabled. And once you flip the switch, just simply click on the reoptimize and it will analyze the best path for you. Then all you have to do is hit apply and then you'll be good to go. But if that doesn't fix your issue, then the next thing that you can do is manually reset your computer's network configuration. We can do this by running a few simple commands. And the first one is you need to close the game completely and the launcher as well. So to do so, you need to open up your taskbar and then right click on it and then go with the task manager and make sure the game is closed. You need to select your game and then right click on it and go with end task. Once you do that, your game will be closed. Once you've done that, go to your start menu and then search for CMD and then open this as an administrator. Just right click on it, go with run as administrator, click on yes, and now simply write some 5 commands. You can also find them in the description box below. The first one is ipconfig space /flush DNS. Enter that, hit the enter, then type the next one. Once you're done with the first one, you need to go and copy the second one and paste it right here and then hit the enter. And same thing, you need to go with the third one and then paste all of the commands and then hit the enter. Once you've done that, all you have to do is just simply a quick restart of your computer and then the issue should most likely be fixed. Now, after the restart, if you're still facing some type of problem, that means your default internet phone book or your DNS is having trouble finding the server. So we are going to switch to Google Public DNS. So what you need to do is right click on the internet icon and go with network and internet, or just simply open up your settings and then go with network and internet right here. Then look for the option of Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on how you're using your internet. And then if you scroll down, then you should be able to see DNS. You need to click on the DNS option. Click on edit over the DNS and you'll get this kind of interface. And here you need to enter the DNS that exactly that you see right here, which is 8.8.8.8. And under alternative, you need to type 8.8.4.4. Once you've done that, click on save. Now that our network has been refreshed, we need to make sure that the game launcher has full permissions. So first you need to just close whichever launcher that you're using. You need to close it completely and then check your system tray over here, which will be on the bottom. And if any elements are running, you need to just simply right click on it and then go with exit. Now the next thing you need to do is go with your launcher, any launcher that you're comfortable with. Just right click on it and then go with show more options. And then you'll have the option of properties. You need to click on it and then go with compatibility and check the box which is run the program as an administrator. Then click on apply and OK. This will ensure that the game isn't being blocked by any Windows permissions. Now all you have to do is launch your game and you'll be able to connect it. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.